Good morning. I am Surendra. Today I want to give TTL on OOR subject. Until today we solve the problems when the demand and supply equal. Today I want to give seminar on what if when the demand and supply not equal. So this is the example problem I taken to solve. Under this is supply, and when we calculate the supply we have got 117, and when the demand we calculate we got 95. So demand is lesser than the supply. So when these two are not equal, we add one column. If demand is less than the supply means we add column. When the demand is than the supply means we add row. So we had that demand is less than the supply, so we add column here. So what is how much the number the less than from the supply demand? 117 minus what we got? 22. So now we add the supply and demand means we got the same number 117. So any method, warm or LCM or northwest method, any method we do the same process. And now I want to do northwest method. If the demand is less than, and we add one column, and in column we put the numbers is 0, 0, 0, and what is the lesser number that we got, so we keep it as a demand number. And now we do the northwest process. So we have supply and demand. What is the lowest number in this? Demand and supply. Supply is the lowest number, so we take the supply 15, and what is the least number we taken? The least number we separate from the both supply and demand. So 15 minus 15 is 0, and 30 minus 15 is 15. So when we got the 0 in supply or demand, the row or column will become the 0. So next we take the 3. So what is the lowest number in this? 15 and 25. 15 is the lowest number, so I will take as 15. So again I separate the what is the lowest number. I will separate from the demand and supply. 15 minus 15 is 0, and 25 minus 15 is 10. I got the 0 in this demand first column, so it will become 0. And again I will take 9, and here the lowest number is 10. I will separate 10 from 20. 10 minus 10 0. So this row becomes 0. And again I will take 2, and here the lowest number is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0, and the column becomes 0. And this row 22 minus 10 32. And I will take 7, and from here 15 is the lowest number, and 15 minus 15 0, this column becomes 0, and then from the row 32 minus 15 17, and again we take 6. Here the lowest number is 10, and 10 minus 10 0, this column becomes 0, and 17 minus 10 7, and 5 is the lowest number is 7. 20 minus 7 13, and 7 minus 7 0. Here 9. Here the lowest number is 13. 13 minus 13 0, and 35 minus 13 22, and the last supply and demand is 22, 22 minus 22 0, here 0, and what is the number we have taken in this place? Non-zero digits. We all multiply and add that from the table. So can anybody calculate this and give me the answer? This is the final answer what we got. This is the process what we do in Northwest, and you all know what is the process of LCM and WORM. So when the demand is and supply not equal, if the demand is lesser than the supply, we add column. If supply is less than the demand, means we add row, and in that row we add what we add row or column. In that elements we taken as a 0, and what is the number is lesser than it from demand or supply, we add that number, and we see that the demand and supply equal, and the process of the LCM or Northwest or WORM method is same. Thank you all.